Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to learn how to set up Google Analytics Pixel ID. To set up Google Analytics Pixel ID, first of all click on the link provided in the tutorial. After that click on Start Measuring. Then add in your account name and click on Next. In the Property Setup section you can add in your property name and then add in your preferred time zone and currency. After that, click on Next. Here you can add information about your business. And then click on Create. After that, read the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement, change your country, and then click on the checkbox and click on the I accept button. Over here you can select the communications you would like to receive through email and then click on Save. Now your Google Analytics account has been created. After you've reached this page, click on the Admin button. Now, under the Properties section, click on Data Streams. Here you can choose your platform as web and then add in your website URL. We will add in our online store link and then add in a stream name. You can take out the HTTPS value since it's already provided by the website and click on Create Stream. You can copy the measurement ID from here and paste it in the Tags and Pixels section and take out the G value from the beginning of the code as it's already provided by our platform. Click anywhere on the page to save your changes. To find out more information or to add an extension, you can click on the link provided in the tutorial